I am going to show you some pictures of the wife of Minister Daryl Vaz with another man caught in very compromising positions. They are very shocking pictures of the Honorable Minister of Transport, his wife, who is also a member of Parliament, Mrs. Anne-Marie Vaz, and another man. It is not they are not pictures that you could misinterpret to say that these pictures are just friendly pictures. They are obviously pictures of a man and a woman who are involved. And I am not the originator of these pictures. I can't claim authorship for them. I just found them. In fact, they are about to be circulating on social media. And it is a very sad day for Mr. Daryl Vaz. I feel his pain. I know what you are going through, Daryl Vaz. You are a minister of government who a lot of people respect, including myself. And no matter what people say about you, I know that you have Jamaica's best interest at heart. No matter what people say about you, Daryl Vaz, I know that you are a good man. We all make mistakes in life. And if you have made your mistakes, it doesn't mean that you're not a good man. And so I feel it for Daryl Vaz. No man who is of a certain standing and status in society wants pictures of his wife with another man in these compromising positions circulating. It don't look good. It don't look good. And I don't know if these pictures were taken while Daryl Vaz and Mrs. Anne-Marie Vaz were together, whether married or not. I don't know. But whether it was before Mr. Vaz and her came together or not, it's not a good look. And that is why, for all the women out there who say body count no matter, it no matter how much man you have in life, but you don't have standards. You don't want man of a certain status, but you must dey round and fling it all about pam this a man, that the man, and then a man with status must pick you up. You no bright out harder, you know. You no bright out harder. You no think the prime minister of any country or any leader, any upstanding leader would want pictures of his wife with another man in these kinds of compromising positions circulating? But yet, you don't feel like you can't do anything at any time, and then you can't get a man of standing. You so stupid. You so fool. And I feel it for you, Daryl Vaz. I feel it for you. No man no want to see them wife in another man's arms, looking into another man's eyes, kissing another man. No man no want to see them wife in a them the kind of position there. And that is why you ladies out there, that is why you are not free to do anything. You are neither free to give your man bun, nor are you free to be dashing yourself here and there so that later on any kind of compromising thing can surface and embarrass your husband. These are two people who are both in parliament. They are two members of parliament today. And for these pictures to surface now, it is certainly an embarrassment. I wish you all the best, Mr. Vaz. I hope you and Mrs. Vaz can work things out, because I think that you guys have something good going on. I mean, I want to know mash up. God no. 119.
No, I realize, I don't know if me alone realize it, but Andrew only has become a dictator to Jamaican people. We're not on a freedom of speech. We're not on a freedom for voice or opinion, because the only time I soon find man, you know, or when man calling him on the internet for man apologize to Prime Minister or whatever, we're not freedom of speech again. A person can't talk freely in Jamaica, because you know when I try to control blood class social media and control people from voice and opinion. You see me, when you can control the CVM and you can control TVJ. When you can control the newspaper them and you can control them things. But you see when you come on to social media, we have a voice of opinion. Jamaican people wise up, you know, and now take fuckery from one again, you know. Jamaican people are wise up, you know. You have one and two idiots who are run behind when the excitement, you know, because someone live for the excitement, you know. For election and them look think they forget in the free liquor and food and jump up like some blood class circus clown, you know. But Jamaican people have valued themselves more than that. No. I hear me say Andrew on this. Now are the time for you stop dictate to the people, brother, and fulfill the promises that you make. You make so much promises and no fulfillment. Jamaica lose teacher, doctor. We lose the best set of people to overseas people. Meanwhile, we as Jamaican take the worst set of people from overseas to come in our country and pay them much more than Jamaican people. You have call center in the country and Jamaican people still get bumbuckled pay in a Jamaican dollars when we get paid in a currency. You know see it? Eh? Only use Jamaican people so much, bro. But it's through social media create a way now where people can voice some opinion and make everybody see where go on in the country, the corruption. Because from a long time the media base them hold on certain things, brother. But here we go on. Jamaican people now take no bullshit no more, brother. We want better government. We don't really need no like we need a change. Not a change for say we need a change a party or whatever. We need a change for the country, brother. Because the two parties them don't make no sense as far as me see it. Because all I want a friend, I don't care about Jamaican people. Because you know why? Most Jamaican people don't care about themselves, brother, and value themselves. When you see what happens in other countries all over the world, if food raise up, if gas raise, you see them do riot. Riot happen. When you see what happens in 80, it's like you don't want Jamaica become the next 80. Too much corruption in the country, brother. A full time now for to make full commitment to the people in Jamaica. You can take so much raise for food yourself, but you can't get teacher, doctor, nurse, police, fire brigade. Them people that raise, but you can't take so much raise that even though they are risking their life or nothing. And just sitting in the office every day with a bag of bodyguard. Meanwhile, police officer for out there risk them life. Meanwhile, some police officer can't even buy a car. Police and soldier can't buy a car. Courthouse worker can't buy a car. Meanwhile, well protected. Jamaican people need to rebel, brother. And stand up for something, brother. Because we can't kill all of we, and we are going to continue to talk on social media. Because we need a change for the country. We need a change for the government. Because all of them government are just care about them pocket, brother. And we're not going to stop rebel.